Hey all, it's Gerald from Buddylytics, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to find your business portfolio ID. So we want to head over to business.facebook.com. Once we're there, on the top left, you just want to make sure you have the right page selected. And when you confirm that, on the bottom left, you'll see settings. So we'll click on that. It's probably going to bring you to the user page. So above that, you'll see business info. And we know this changes all the time with Facebook, but as of April 2026, this is the most recent method. And under your portfolio name or the business name, you'll see business portfolio ID. So that's pretty much it. And this tends to be important when you try to send access and let's say an agency, or maybe you have a social media manager, they need to find your portfolio ID to send an invite over to you. So that's typically when you need it, or either if you put a request in for Facebook support. So if this was helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe and share the video with somebody else that needs help with this, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.